How to create a table in Zapier. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily insert it. First of all, go to this website name zapier.com. Now this interface will pop up. Here on the left top, you can find this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and tap on assets. So basically this is the place where you can start your project. Now in order to create or add a new table, here on the right top, you can see this three dot icon. Simply tap on this three dot icon and select tables. Now it will take some time, so we're in this another page. Here simply tap on create table and you can easily customize or even import the one that you like. So simply tap on the one and you're all set to go. So this table has been created. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.